Welcome to Words Podium, the voiceful words.
Hello friends. During these uncertain times of COVID-19, where we are struggling between physical health and financial crisis, but at the very same time, we are struggling to keep our mind calm. We always ignore our mental health, and sometimes these ignorance lead to very serious consequences like mental illness or even suicide. And as we are aware that during this time, mental health related problems are rising. Today on October 10th, that is Mental Health Day. This is my small effort to inspire everyone to take care of their physical as well as mental health. And don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. And here is my poem titled I'll Sing Again, in which I have shown that despite struggling with mental illness, how a person is trying to overcome this. So presenting my poem, I'll Sing Again. I am in my uncertain times, darkness everywhere, and I am fragile. I don't wanna listen anyone. I won't speak my heart, so please don't lend your ear. Don't try to reach out to me. It will definitely not vanish my fear. But yet don't know why. I'm showing myself perfect all the time. My happy posts online, hiding my every anxiety and pain. The desire of fame and the quest for perfection has left me alone. My mind is playing with me, filling all the negativity. It is the one who is stopping me whenever I'm trying to live happily. My own desires are turning into an obsession, but still I don't want any confrontation. My own negative thoughts are confusing my mind and not letting me come into any conclusion. My mind is not synchronizing with my actions anymore. I am disconnected from this real world. I am jumping from one thought to another continuously. I think I am annoyed with my own high expectations. I have kept myself imprisoned, it is very likely. Depression that impacted me slowly has finally engulfed me entirely. But still, I am behaving as if everything alright. I need to understand I'm acting 2 persons at a time. I am in my uncertain times. I feel sad and tired almost all the time. Frustration and hopelessness are ruining my life. Sleepless nights and lonely days are driving me crazy. Slowly I feel that I'm losing my mind. And sometimes I have even thought about suicide. I feel that I'm not useful or needed anymore. I'm restless, losing all interest in life. I am in my uncertain times. Despite all this, I want to give myself one more chance. I want to stay resilient and spread positivity. I believe that a quiet mind is a workshop of creativity. I know if I'll try, difficult time will bring out the best in me. Those negative experiences have given me a better understanding. I should not give hope. It's time for me to act strong. I'll keep moving forward. I'll plan for my future again. Till then, why don't I work hard on my weaknesses? I should connect with my friends and I'll revive myself. I'll remove every mask that covers my reality. I'll stop seeing myself from the other's perspective. Life is very beautiful. I need to realize I shouldn't depend on others for my happiness every time. I'll overcome every obstacle I have to believe it. I will be victorious regardless of the situation. Sometimes it's okay if you just relax and wait for the good time. I am in my uncertain times. I am in my uncertain times. Thank you.